Now we're looking at the front yard. That's Wally across Deere, that's his house. And there's the neighbor across the street, across Excel, that helped Dad with the leaves, the insurance salesman. We have a great crop of dandelions, and there's your steps and retaining walls and brick path. Everything we need lots of yard work, but it has just got nice, so we haven't had a lot of nice weather to work on it yet. Everything needs weeding. There's the table where Dad was using his saw to cut boards for record shelves inside. And that's the steps, just like they've been there ever since we have. I don't know if Terry's going to put those on this year or not. You have a lot of yard work to do when you move in. And I'm going to go up the steps now. Things are coming back. Spring is here. All those little green bushes were twigs 2 weeks ago. This is something that's budding out. No idea what. All these plants will probably be foreign to you, Liz. They are to me, and I live here. Looks like some kind of a evergreen. And we have another one here. And like I said, great crop of dandelions. That's growing along the path where the bricks are missing. And here's the really beautiful azalea. It's just covered with bumblebees. It's very pretty. It's got the hoses out. Where is he? Oh, he's way around the other side there.